Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Nissan Frontier. This Frontier comes in our black metallic paint. We have our alloy rims, four-wheel drive system, rear privacy tint, and our 4-liter V6 engine. Now onto the interior of the Nissan Frontier. I'll take a look at a few of the driver's features, starting off with a door panel. It's featured in our light gray plastic. We have our close handle, rear and front window controls, rear window lock, and our lock and unlock buttons. And we have our chrome door handle, another lock and unlock switch, speaker down below, and storage with a cup holder built in. If we look on the side of the seat, we have our power adjustable seats. And off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our cargo lamp button, hill descent assist. We also have our power mirror adjustment with joystick located on the side. Then we have our gauge cluster, cruise control on the right side, Nissan logo in the middle, and then our audio controls off to the left. Steering wheel is wrapped in leather. We have our screen here, which displays our current radio station, time, our maps, navigation. Then we have our dual zone climate down below, as well as our heated seats for driver and passenger, our traction control, our rear collision alert, as well as our four-wheel drive system. Then we have our gear select stalk, manual parking brake, two cup holders, center console, which features our storage, as well as a USB port, auxiliary input, and 12-volt charging port. Then we have our gray leather front seats with perforated leather throughout. Garage door openers on the mirror, as well as our brightness and navigation. Then we have our dome lights and dome light settings, sunglass holder, as well as our microphone and a sunroof above. Back onto the exterior, we can see our chrome grille with Nissan badge, our gunmetal gray alloy rims with our Nissan center caps, running boards, chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles, rear privacy tint, tonneau cover in the rear, as well as roof racks. Then we have our chrome rear bumper, Frontier, and 4x4 badging. Now onto the rear interior of the Nissan Frontier. We'll take a look at the rear door card, which also features that light gray, chrome door handle, speaker and speaker tweeter, as well as storage. Back of the front seat, we have a leather magazine holder, and on the back of the center console, we have our fold-down cup holders. And we have our rear seats, which are also featured in our dark gray leather, and our middle fold-out seat, middle fold-out armrest. Then our rear window in the back. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Nissan Frontier. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.